Hello again, this is Amy Kenyon. This is my video for Math 11.5 NT with Professor Chuck Newberg from Western Wyoming Community College. This is my math content problem number 4. In this problem, I'm going to be using the red and white counters to create a video showing a sixth grader how to compute -5 times -3. So this problem, like the last one, cannot be done until I add in some zeros because I can't take away 5 groups of -3 when I don't have -3 to begin with. So I need to add in some 5 groups of 3 by adding in some zeros. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write my problem down up on the whiteboard. So this problem we're doing is -5 times -3. So I need to add in 5 groups of 3 zeros. So I'm going to begin by doing my negatives first. And I'm doing this because we're working with both negative numbers. So I'm going to start with my negatives, then go to my positives to make the zero. So that's one group of 3, -3. Here's one group of +3. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to do that. Here's 2 groups of -3, 2 groups of +3, 3 groups of -3, 3 groups of +3, 4 groups of -3, 4 groups of +3, and finally my fifth group, let me bring it up, of -3, making my zero with my fifth group of +3. Now that I have my zeros laid out, sorry, give me 1 second here to get them straight so we can see our arrays perfectly and clearly. Now I can take away 5 groups of -3 because now I have them by adding in my zeros. I have -3 groups and I have positives. So I'm going to go ahead and take away 5 groups of -3. So there's one group of -3 going by, 2 groups of -3 getting taken away, 3 groups take away, fourth group take away, and finally my fifth group of my -3 taken away. After I take these away, I am left, as you can clearly see, with a -15. Now to get this, this shows up in my multiplication problem now, will show up after I added in the zeros by adding in the equal groups of positive and negative, and then I use the takeaway method with the negatives, which leaves with the positives, which leaves the negatives. Now I can multiply my 5 by my 3 with my arrays, my 5 groups of 3 to get -15. To verify or check my work, I'm simply just going to add up my array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. -15 is the correct answer. So this is a good way, I feel like, to teach the kids because they can visually see what's going on when you add in the zeros, and then they can visually see the problem of I'm going to take away -5, take away 3 negative groups, or 5 groups of -3. We're going to take away 5 groups of -3. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.